Hello, my little Oogie Boogies. Welcome back to the spookiest place on the internet. The time is here, video making time is here. We got a Halloween tree, I decorated a Halloween tree. My life makes sense again because I am allowed to decorate trees. Technically, I'm allowed to decorate trees whenever I want, and I do. But just right now, I'm less, like, persecuted because of it. I'm here to show you my Halloween tree. This is the full walkthrough of this tree. I have a time lapse of just me putting everything on it. Very quickly, if you want to see that, it's right up here. I'm just going to talk you through everything that I did on it. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kim and I'm very merry. I'm just a lady who loves to decorate Christmas trees. That's all there is to know, that's it. Be sure to subscribe for some tips and tricks and design ideas for your Christmas tree so you can create the tree of your dreams. Right now I'm dreaming of Halloween, and so that's what we did. Here's how I did this. I like to start decorating by getting the vibe right, which means I need to put on my favorite Halloween hoodie. It's my only Halloween hoodie. And my little tiny witch hat. Now we're ready, let's go! I'm gonna start with this sheer green ribbon. I always start with ribbon. Sometimes I start with hopper, but I usually start with ribbon. And I'm just going to ribbon this in the way that I always ribbon everything. I loop it. I've got a video showing you how I like to put ribbon on a Christmas tree. I think I'm going to do an updated one though. I don't know. I always say I'm going to do things and then I just don't do them. Really great at follow through. Anyway, I think I'm going to do an updated ribbon video. In my ribbon video, I do show you how to do this kind of ribbon technique, but I've been doing it diagonally more and more lately, and also just kind of in a more like less uniform kind of way, I guess. I've been doing a little more haphazardly, skitty-wampously, randomly, and so I think I'm going to show a couple of additional techniques. And that has nothing to do with this tree, but just me rambling like I do. Okay, so we're starting with sheer green ribbon. I got this ribbon from Walmart. Everything that I can will be linked below. I know that this is not there. I don't know if it will be. It is specifically Christmas ribbon, and they don't have it available online yet. But yes, if it is available, I will link it down below. And it's too hot, so we had to lose the hoodie. While it is fall in my heart, it is not fall where I live. We're sweating. Okay, we're moving on to my black and white ribbon. I got this on eBay, so again, I can't link this. I already looked to see if there was another listing for it, and there isn't. But you can kind of find this in a few places. I'll see if I can link an alternative. But I love this ribbon. It gives such a fun Tim Burton vibe. Just very, very Halloween, kind of spooky, but like not super scary. Just fun. I think this, and of course like the pumpkins and stuff we add later, make it super Halloween-y. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna continue with ribbon and maybe speed this up a little bit because you have seen me put ribbon on a tree 1,000 times. Oh, quickly. I was gonna take this all the way down next to the green ribbon, but I didn't have enough, so it had to go in little chunks, and I think it ended up cuter that way because it kind of had more of a chaos feeling to it. So, you know, happy accidents or whatever. Anyway, ribbon. Still ribbon. So much ribbon. After cutting some cute ribbon tails, I'm going to grab this big pumpkin and work on my topper. I'm going to secure him with some pipe cleaners, and then we will add in my big ornaments. This crow, a skull, a little glittery pumpkin, this ornament. The bigger items need to go on fairly soon. I've mentioned this before, but just in case if you're new to my tree decorating techniques. Now I'm going to move on to my cute little mini candy buckets. I got these on Amazon. They will definitely be linked below. They come in a variety pack with jack-o'-lanterns, Frankensteins, and skulls. These are the greatest things to put on a Halloween tree. They hang perfectly and they look so freaking cute. Look at those jack-o'-lanterns. I can't get over it. Anyway, I've got a video, for everything. I've got a video showing how I like to arrange ornaments on a tree to help with balance and visual interest and things like that, I will link it up here. But I started with the orange jack-o'-lanterns. I like to do one color, one group at a time. So I did all of the orange jack-o'-lanterns and then orange. What other, well, I guess pumpkins come in other colors. Anyway, I did all the jack-o'-lanterns, and then I did all the little Frankies, and then I did all the skulls one at a time so that I made sure everybody was nice and balanced and had a good home, and I didn't end up with a certain color in one place and not in another and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to move on to picks. I got these bat picks at Michael's craft store. I'll link them below. And I started putting them throughout the tree, but you will see later that I changed my mind. You can change your mind. That's the neat thing about tree decorating. Anything can go anywhere. Do what you want. If you put stuff somewhere and you're like, that's gross, you can move it, which is what I will do in a little bit. After I put on these cute candy corn picks that I also got from Michael's craft store. They are killing it with the Halloween stuff. You guys, I can't even. Like, it's so good. And here's where I'm like, bat picks, not working for me. So I decided to make them part of the topper, which turned out to be really friggin' cool. I love the whole up and out thing. They're like these bat fireworks, like bats exploding out of the top of my tree, and I'm living for it. And then I'm gonna add in the rest of the candy corn picks, and then I'm gonna go in with these orange and black glittery picks that I got from Walmart. These are not online, so I cannot link these. They're in store and it's stupid and I'm mad. But they were really cute and they were really cheap, so maybe pop in Walmart if you want something like this. But they just added the extra sparkle that I just gotta have. We gotta have sparkle. I'm gonna finish it off with this thumbs up skeleton arm that I found at my Kroger grocery store last year. It's for your yard, to stick in your lawn. I don't care, I'm sticking it in my tree because that thumbs up gives me life. And we have a finished Halloween tree. It is whimsical, it is fun, touch of spooky, I just love it. And that's the Halloween tree. It's a little wacky, it's a little skittywampus, it's a little what is going on here, but isn't that really the theme of Halloween just in general? I think it's super cute and super fun and I love it, and I'm gonna be staring at it until I'm not. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already for more tree fun. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you, and until we meet again, sparkle on. Spooky on. Spooky on. Spooky.